Alright, this is part 3 of the video. I haven't put the cap back on this yet, but now this is the first time the watch has been wound. There's an attempt here, so I'm going to see if this actually works. And I get some movement in the mainspring here. I know this mainspring, I believe it needs some fixing, but and look at that. I got some movement. It's not terribly great, but it's a start, which means that the movement is running. I haven't oiled it at all yet, by the way, so I've put no oil in any of the capsules or anything, right? I've done no oiling at all. I just wanted to see if the darn thing would work, and this is with the new little ratchet here. So that's holding, and I'm sure if I turn this a few more times, the whole damn thing will slip. There we go. And I don't know if oiling it's going to make it run faster, but the old movement is working. So that's part 3. I just wanted to let you know that this is working now. Oh, I've got a problem here. I wonder what it is. Could be something gummed up. Yeah, I think I still have to take out that mainspring because I think there's definitely issues there. So when you're working on a watch and it stalls like that, and you're wondering, okay, why is it stalling? Well, I just sort of reassembled it without cleaning it just to see if the thing would work. And it does, which is great. But it still needs to be taken apart and cleaned. And all you need to do is go in there and just move one of the gears here to get the mainspring, or just to get the escapement moving again, and the balance staff. And it seems like it's stopping right around here, which means that there's probably this gear here has got some mud in it somewhere, and it needs to be fully cleaned, I believe. It's funny, when you get past a certain point it works again. See if it's doing that. Just give a little bit of pressure on that gear here. It's this one here. Yeah. So it works from here to here. So it works from the balance to the escapement to the third gear. So it works there. There just might be some particles or something on here somewhere. So again, the whole darn thing needs proper cleaning. I just wanted to show you that this little baby ratchet, or this click spring, does work. It's holding the this in place, so it's all good. And that's proof it works. So 3 minutes and 48 seconds worth of proof. That's enough. And by the way, my wife said I shouldn't be making surgical tools because I'm not that great. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll just clean this thing up and it'll probably run a hell of a lot better. Oh, look, it stopped again. This is an 1800 and something watch, so needs some tender loving care. Yeah, there's something going on there. I shall figure that out. I shall overcome. There we go.